Here we go. Live Blitz chess. Game 12. Make the screen bigger for everybody. Yo, 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 Dao, yo, yo. Will he move? He has reconnected. He has left. Ow! White pieces. Bird opening, baby. Will he go for the from Gambit? Yes. Whew, knew it. Ha ha ha. What's the story? D6. Not much else, so yeah. Maybe it wasn't best to take, but this is a standard line anyway that I know. And I'm getting practice for tournaments when people play the right line. Castle. I honestly want to take some central squares right now. Hence d4. I like this move because it's supporting a strong center. Now, the name of the game is get some attack going here on the queen side because he's got to be careful when he goes on the queen side for his camp. Pitch intense on the queen side. Now he's going on my side. That's good and all. That's good. It's a good move. But it's forgetting about the crazy tactics that I have. And I love this move. Now his penetration here into my camp won't be led by the knight coming in. And then I can give him this insane move, which attacks his queen and frees all my pieces and threatens to win a piece. It's very complicated. Might want to analyze this game real quick at some point with Stockfish. The only thing, he might be able to play knight e3 and threaten my queen as well. So I could take, and then he could take my queen, but then I can, with his knight, yet then his knight's going to be trapped in my camp and I can play knight. So I wins a piece. I'm going to keep that one in the back of my head now. That's a great trick. It's a great trick. This is actually a very nice blitz game after that. Special moment. Loved it. I'm up a piece. Feel alive. Feeling strong. Let's see. To do. Oh yeah. This guard's e3 from his knight and his rook, along with my bishop, tag team in that square. My knight's protected. Queenside looks like it's actually doing stuff, but I haven't moved any of the pieces. I like it when that occurs. You know, my center control worked this game, and I'm up a piece. And I don't really see too much stuff he can do to harass me. I'm threatening knight e7 check with a comfortable game, or better, knight takes a7 check, which I'll play. That's good. Nice win. Not gonna play again.